guys, hello, welcome to another vlog style video. This is my 25th birthday party vlog. Yes, the birthday celebrations are still going on in February, but just arranging everyone's schedules, this is when we could all meet up. So I'm bringing you along in the vlog. I'm gonna get ready. I've been filming some TikTok transitions and some fun little things. We're doing an updo. I'm doing my makeup. I don't really know what I'm doing. We're just gonna dive in. Tonight is an Audrey Hepburn Breakfast at Tiffany's vintage glamour themed party. Essentially it doesn't have like one exact theme. It's a mixture of, you know, Audrey Hepburn, diamonds, glittery, Breakfast at Tiffany's. If you can see a little bit of the colors over there, we got some feathers behind me, some balloons. I'm gonna give you the full tour of the decor that we put up once I have done my hair and my makeup, because my mom came over yesterday and we were working on it. And this is just like my dream party. I had a party actually this sort of theme when I turned 16. Of course, didn't have champagne or anything, had all the Martinellis, and tonight it's like the grown-up version, got my champagne ready to go. And yeah, I've had a good morning. We've just been finishing up some stuff, finishing up my outfit. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm drinking a liquid IV in preparation, have some water, have some food, and just gonna have some fun with it. I literally got off of Amazon these like bun attachments. They're not my exact hair color, but once they're mixed in, they'll be fine, because I want to do this like updo thing. Anyways, we're gonna begin. I'm also filming it for TikTok and for Instagram and stuff, so we're just having a whole party right now getting ready for this. Really all I have to say, it's not a huge group. I think there's gonna be 12 of us in total tonight, which is just like my vibe. We're having it in our apartment and just intimate, fun, all the good vibes. So yeah, let's get it going. Also, this robe I'm wearing, I got gifted from my bestie Hannah yesterday. We went and got facials for my birthday. It's literally from Skims, and it is the comfiest, softest thing I've ever witnessed. Literally, what the frick is this robe? It's so comfy. Get ready for my 25th birthday party with me. So shout out to my bestie Hannah for supplying this Skims robe right in time for this birthday party. Get ready with me. Ping pongs and cups to play Prosecco Pong. All right, what the frick? We're doing some sort of updo, so. I'm gonna be using these like bun scrunchies from Amazon. Rust the process. All right, here goes nothing. So I left this hair out because I'm gonna curl it and then it will help blend it. Adding it back in because this is kind of a different hair color. We're making some headway. All right, we're gonna do that for now. Just continue on with the rest and then we'll see. All right, let's do some makeup. The NYX Brow Tint Pen in Auburn is like my favorite thing ever. Look how beautiful this palette is. Sweetest neighbor ever just came over. I was like, hi! The hair and makeup. My golden hour right now, so the lighting's a bit crazy, but yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. Close up of the makeup. I need to actually unclip my hair. We'll get the final review, but my parents are here to help set up, but I wanted to show you a few details from the decor before it gets crazy.
forks. All the way down. You want to go next?
But like the
Totally. That color, look how you have to decide.
is over here. Okay, I'll get you.
That's totally fine.
So I'm gonna get dressed and get my dress stuck to me and everything because I need to like finish TikTok transition videos. But I'm really excited and the makeup like turned out really pretty and the bun is bunning. Will is doing everything last minute.
I think we have plenty of time.
Always. From Baby on, this sparkly dress, I like pinned it up in the back because it's quite long, but these shoes are from Amazon. Yeah, this is the final look. Like some rings from a like thrift store slash my real wedding ring. That's my, is that my, yeah, that's my wedding ring. Anyways, got some Glamour on. We're ready. This is Will. He's wearing his nice suit. Looks so cute. Everything looks amazing. Those are my cute parents. You want to say hi, guys? Hello, adorable. People are going to get here soon. Drink stuff's ready. We got some of the food out. We're excited. Let's go. Oh, none of myself. A little mini. He's so cute. That's such a read. Okay.
Oh yeah.
See it glittering? Oh my god! It's unrecognizable.
Oh!
Okay, the besties have arrived. Simon's here too.
So excited.
Hannah and I were dying because we both like are like twinning hair.
Quite literally the same hair.
Yin and yang. The aftermath of all the food.
Yeah, so we just...
I'd say professional.
Happy birthday to you!
Make a wish. Go.
Woo!
All the way down.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Okay, taste test.
You
Ready?
can try.
Alright.
Little cream cheese.
You try this gluten
Not bad for a cake.
So good. It's gluten free too.
Gluten free.
Hang
Oh,
on.
we've made a mess. Oh no. How is the cake? How is the cake?
5 hours later.
Yo. The party is over. I'm in my bathroom. Not sure what the lighting's like right now in here. I am so tired. What time is it? It's not even honestly that late because we started the party at 5:30. It's 11:45. Party was amazing. Everybody just left. We've cleaned up a few things, but mostly we haven't cleaned up. We're gonna do it tomorrow and just go to bed and rest. I need to take my makeup off and take this dress off ASAP. The party, I like literally have dress tape on and it is great, but honestly it hurt. The party was seriously so fun. We had the best time. We literally just hung out, played some games, ate, drank champagne, played like this like Prosecco pong, so beer pong but with Prosecco instead, you know, which is always fun. And we had some cake, which I think you guys saw, and yeah, it was just a great night. Hang out with my friends, my parents, and we just had a really fun time. So that's basically all that's been happening. We've just been hanging out. Tomorrow we have church, so trying to get ready for bed so I can get some good sleep before that. And I'm really excited because our church just moved buildings. We finally have our own building now, and which is a really exciting day because we've been renting, and yeah, it's exciting for our church to have its own space. So definitely excited to go to church tomorrow. I'm gonna take off my makeup. Let me go put my pajamas on. All right, got my PJs on. I'm going to take my makeup off, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog and hanging out with me for my birthday party. It was so fun, and I'm just so thankful for my friends and my family and getting to celebrate with them. So it was great to hang out with you guys too and bring you along. I love y'all, and I will see ya in my next video. Good night.